Ring Battery Doorbell Review. The latest Ring Battery Doorbell upgrades one of the most popular smart home cameras with enhanced head-to-toe HD video, wider field of view, live view with two-way talk, and improved motion detection and alerts. With a crisp satin nickel finish and battery-powered flexibility, it's designed to keep homes and businesses secure while remaining easy to install virtually anywhere. Video and motion detection. Ring now offers enhanced vertical coverage. That means you can see packages at your doorstep and faces, even including the ground immediately in front of the device. Reviewers like Digital Trends applaud the head-to-toe framing for dramatically reducing false events from objects at the door's edge. The new enhanced pre-roll 4-second buffer of video before motion triggers gives better context for incidents. TechHive notes that the doorbell's improved heat-based motion detection is more precise and less prone to false alerts compared to past models. Live view and audio. Live view now activates nearly instantly, letting you see and speak to whoever's on your step with virtually no delay. Ring's revamped speaker and microphone deliver clearer two-way audio. CNET called it noticeably improved. Conversations are more intelligible even from a distance or when wind is present. Battery and installation. True to Ring's portable promise, battery operation makes installation tool-free. A full charge reportedly lasts several months. Wirecutter users consistently cite about 3 to 4 months under typical use. It's also compatible with solar or plug-in power options if you prefer continuous operation. Setup remains seamless via the Ring app, and integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, and smart home routines continues to be robust. Pros and cons. Pros. Excellent vertical field of view, head-to-toe framing makes a real difference. Improved motion detection accuracy with pre-roll buffering. Fast live view and better two-way audio quality. Easy wireless installation with optional power sources. Works seamlessly with major smart home ecosystems. Cons from recent reviews. Subscription required for video history and most advanced features, motion alerts, video saving. TechHive and CNET both flagged this as a major limitation if you want cloud storage or rich notifications. Battery life varies based on use. Heavy motion traffic or live view use can reduce those 3 to 4 months. Wirecutter suggests keeping a charging schedule. Does not support 4K or HDR. Video quality is sharp but not up to premium wired doorbell standards. Kit Gadget Review noted this if you're after the highest resolution video. Occasional chime latency when used with older mechanical chime kits. You may need a chime connector for best performance. Final thoughts. Overall, the new Ring Battery Doorbell in satin nickel offers meaningful improvements in both screen coverage and responsiveness, keeping setup simple while enhancing security. Especially for users who prefer a wireless setup and want clear, real-time communication with visitors or delivery drivers, it's a top-tier pick. Just be mindful that unlocking its full potential depends on a Ring Protect subscription. Affiliate disclosure. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. A link to this Ring Battery Doorbell, newest model, is included in the video description. Thanks for supporting the channel.